Imagine standing at the edge of the world, a colossal storm brewing, with winds powerful enough to tear through anything in their path. Yet, there it stands, a beacon of light, unyielding against the ocean's fury. Have you ever wondered how these iconic structures manage to remain so steadfast? Historic lighthouses are stabilized against high winds through a combination of robust engineering principles, deep foundational anchoring, and their inherently strong, often conical, structural designs. It is their comprehensive approach to battling nature that allows them to stand tall for centuries. The core mechanism behind their incredible stability lies in fundamental physics. Wind exerts immense pressure, and a tall, exposed structure needs to resist this overturning force. Engineers counter this by ensuring a very low center of gravity. This is achieved through wide, massive bases, which distribute the structure's significant weight over a broad area, often anchoring deep into bedrock or dense soil. The design also accounts for wind dynamics. Instead of flat surfaces that catch wind, many lighthouses feature a cylindrical or tapered, conical shape that allows wind to flow around them with less resistance, significantly reducing the direct force they absorb. To put these principles into practice, builders of these historic sentinels employed meticulous construction methods. They would dig extensive foundations, sometimes 30 feet or more deep, filled with heavy stone or concrete. The walls themselves were often built from solid masonry, sometimes several feet thick at the base, becoming thinner as they ascended. Each stone or brick was precisely cut and often interlocked, creating a unified monolithic structure that could withstand immense pressure without cracking or shifting. One fascinating detail in lighthouse construction, particularly during the late 1800s, was the use of interlocking iron plates for some designs, especially for lighthouses built on wave-swept rock foundations for offshore. These plates, custom-cast and bolted together from the inside, created an incredibly strong, waterproof shell that could flex slightly under extreme pressure, absorbing impacts that might shatter rigid masonry. This innovative approach allowed for quicker construction in treacherous conditions and provided remarkable resilience. So, the enduring presence of these historic lighthouses, majestically braving countless gales, is a testament to the ingenuity of early engineers. Their clever use of deep foundations, tapered forms, and incredibly dense, often interlocking materials, means these structures are more than just buildings. They are precisely engineered monuments designed to harness their own weight and shape to conquer the mightiest of winds. They stand not just as navigational aids, but as powerful symbols of human perseverance against the raw forces of nature.